channel Amanda's Archipelagos. Okay, do subscribe, of course, like and do comment. Okay, so today we are going to do something normal, not normal, but many people think that they can't do this only. It's really tough, but if you know the process how to do, you'll be really means you'll be able to do this thing. This is a cuboidal puzzle, Rubik's cube. Many of the people may know, right? This was invented by Rubik in 1974. Yeah. So today we are going to learn some movements, some algorithms to solve this Rubik's cube. This is part 1 to solve how to solve the Rubik's cube. All right. So I'm going to give you a hint about this Rubik's cube. All right. Rubik's cube have 6 colors: white, yellow, orange, red, green, and blue and green. Yeah. So yellow is directly opposite of white. Orange is directly opposite of red. Yeah. And blue is directly opposite of green. Alright. So I'm going to give you some did you know fact. Yeah. There are 84 lakh types of method to solve this Rubik's cube. Yeah. But it's really tough to solve this thing without learning or like that. So we are going to start now. Yeah. You know this segment? You may look this segment, right? So for first of all, I'm going to show you the right algorithm. Then I will show you the left algorithm. All right. So first of all, you may see this segment. I am facing blue. You may face red. Any color, no problems. The main thing is to learn this algorithm. All right. First of all, this segment. You know this segment. First of all, upwards, then leftwards, then downwards, then rightwards, like that. This is right algorithm. So first, once again, upwards, left, down, right, up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right. If you are having a fully solved Rubik's cube with you, you may practice this. Yeah. If you will practice this if you will do this algorithm for 5 times, yeah. Look now. You think that it is shuffle. Yeah. If you will do this algorithm 5 times, it will come back to its original state. Yeah. Look. Right. Now we are going to do the left algorithm. First of all, during the right algorithm, we did this part, yeah, upwards. So during this left algorithm, we are going to do from this side. Yeah. First of all, upwards, then rightwards, yeah, then downwards, then left. This is left algorithm. So we will continue this. Up, right, down, left, up, right, down, left, up, right, down, left, up, right, down, left, up, right, down, left. Yeah. This is left algorithm. So we are going to practice this again. Yeah, first of all, right algorithm. If you have a Rubik's cube, you do this with me. All right, up, left, down, 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 right. Right algorithm. If you did this correctly, congratulations. Then next, we are going to do left algorithm once again. Up, right, down, left, 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 up, right, down, left. If you did this both correctly, then I'm going to congratulate you again, because this is the first level to do how to solve this Rubik's cube, right? So those who didn't got this correctly, continue practicing. Yeah, okay. I will be uploading the next video soon. This is how to solve Rubik's cube part 1, right? So do subscribe, do like, and do comment. Yeah, right? So bye bye friends.